My name is Manuel Iris. I am the 2023 Writer-in-Residence for the Cincinnati and Hamilton County Public Library. I was born in Mexico, born and raised in Mexico. And in my house, there weren't many books. But I had friends that had books in their houses. And I would go and read a little bit there. And then I got interested in these places called public libraries. And I spent a lot of my youth in the public library. Sometimes I was there to read. Other times I was just there for quiet. I fell in love with the idea that everybody belongs to the library all the time. It does not matter what you believe or what you don't, what you think or what you don't, what you like or what you don't. Everybody belongs to the library all the time. I was very surprised when I came to Cincinnati because I didn't know all of the resources of the public library, which are extensive. Not only the amount of books, but the amount of branches and how open they are and all of the social services that they have. Well, I am a writer that is constantly trying to explore ways of saying things that are difficult to say. I believe in poetry as a translation of silence. I live in translation for obvious reasons. I live between English and Spanish, but I also believe that we are always translating something. We're translating our thoughts into actions, our thoughts into words, our feelings into, art. We are always translating something. I applied to be the writer-in-residence because, as I have expressed many times, I believe that this is not only an appointment that has to do with libraries, it has to do with society. I believe that libraries, in particular the libraries of Cincinnati, are doing a very important community job. And I believe that the job that is being done by the libraries is a work of social justice. I hope that I can bring even more of the community into the library. That is what I want. I want to do a reach out that brings even more people in. I want to celebrate what we have in common. So we need to talk about it. It will be a series of writing workshops that hopefully will spark the conversation guided towards how we are alike and how a community should be based in that respect and love. I am very proud of representing for this year library systems such as the one of the Cincinnati libraries. Is full of people that really cares not only about books, but about the community that reads them. And that makes me very proud. I am very pleased and very honored and humbled by this position.